Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing how I like to make a 5-minute meat pie for the family. It's quick, it's easy, and it saves a whole lot of time for me. The best part is that it tastes the same as normal meat pie, but only the shape is different. So without wasting your time, let's get right into it. My first step is preparing the meat pie filling. I start by washing and cutting my vegetables into small cubes. You can use carrots, potatoes, peppers, whatever you like. Then I transfer my chicken into a pot and start cooking it on low heat. I don't use oil. The margarine we will use later is more than enough for me. Let the water from the chicken dry into it. This gives it a richer taste. Then I add water, seasoning, and my favorite spices and let that cook until the chicken is nice and tender. Now, instead of using flour to thicken the filling, I just break down the vegetables with my wooden spoon until it forms a nice mixture. Once it's done, I remove it from heat and let it cool. I always measure my ingredients accurately. I start with the dry ingredients first, then go in with the margarine, and finally I add egg and water. Here is my tip. I always add water bit by bit because depending on the flour, you might not need much. You'll want the dough to come together without getting too sticky. Once it's formed, I wrap it up and let it rest in the fridge for a few minutes. This little trick helps the meat pie come out flaky and so delicious. Now comes the fun part, shaping the meat pie. I roll the dough into a rectangle shape, add the filling and roll it up. Then I use a bit of water around the edges to seal it up. You don't have to be perfect, just try your best. It gets easier the more you make it. I always give the top a little cut with a knife to let it breathe in the oven. Then I brush the top with egg wash for that beautiful golden color. Pop it into the oven and bake until it turns golden brown. Once it's out, let it cool slightly and serve. And that's it. Your quick and easy 5-minute meat pie is ready to enjoy. It's flaky, tasty, and perfect for the whole family. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to visit my channel for other wonderful videos. Until we meet again, have a great day.